Alright, boys, day 2. Looky here. We're for sure gonna catch a fish this time. I promise. We back today, boys, with Rather Be Reeling. He was right over there and in search of those fish. Okay, what the... Alright. Alright, so today we got the big rods. It is super windy.
And we're going after carp.
And we're going after big ones. There's a fish over there.
I have a scale.
And you're going to be getting a lot of those. Alright. Super windy, guys. It's like gusting 40. There's fish. Dang it, miss. There we go, fish. Oh, God.
Next one, get one wins. We're both using big rods.
Yeah, we're both using big rods. Here, come over here in the frame. Come over here, my dude.
Oh, got one.
Okay,
Oh,
good. Good spot. Good spot. Oh, crap. I'm just going to crank it till I freaking feel one.
All right, I'm in the frame.
Oh, crap.
All right, here we go.
Okay, there you are. Now you know I'm fishing without Be Reeling. Oh, crap.
Oh, damn, I had one.
I got this freaking tangle.
Oh, come on. Come on, give me a fish. Give me a fish.
Got
Got one. Oh, I had him. That was the orangest goldfish I have ever seen. Did you see it?
Oh, crap. Right in the face. I got this.
God, this wind, bro.
This wind sucks. I've caught a bullhead, that's it. And a goldfish. There we go, got one. Something small. Or a carp. There we go. Right in the gill. There we go. There we go, guys. Small one right in the gill. Or right in the gill plate. He's gonna be fine. Okay. Biggest fish of the day so far for me. He's got another one. Goldfish. There you go. Yeah, there we go. Alright, look, going back. Alright, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but look at that. That is actually a channel cat caught by Mr. Rather Be Reeling.
But it's too late.
I kind of want to pick it up, but it's fresh. Look at that. Pure channel cat, fork tail, narrow head. That's sad. Hey, we caught all the fish out of greenways though. It's an accomplishment. Dang, I feel bad. We lost all the 4-pounders, all the channel cats. We lost all the good fish. Oh well.
I don't believe in no devil, 'cause I done raised this hell. I've been the last one standing when all the giants fell.
Alright, we done. We're out of that freaking windstorm back there, so.
I'm gonna leave.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
But anyway, he actually got a spoon in his bag. That was funny.
I got a spoon straight to the back, bro.
Yeah, that was funny. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little quick episode of Classic Angling. It's something compared to you.
If you haven't, like and subscribe.
Okay. What he said, but yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
Bye.